Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful coaster using single crochet. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This coaster looks so cute and beautiful. We have used two colors and we have used single crochet to do this coaster. It is a beginner friendly project and it is very easy to do. To do this coaster, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful coaster. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain should be the length of the coaster which we are going to do. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and we are going to do length of the coaster which we are going to do. 1, 2, 3. So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. For next row, you are going to do single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2. So you are going to work in the third loop. Turn your work. So you will see a bump like structure here. So insert the hook here. Yarn over, pull through that loop. You'll have two loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch, the next bump like structure here. Insert the hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. So for next row, do chain 1, turn your work, do single crochet in the first stitch by taking both the loops together. Single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet, you have to do till the required height of the coaster which we are going to do. So I have done for 10 rows. So I have done half the part. For next half, I am going to change the color. So I'll insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. We are not going to finish it off using the same color. Instead, we are going to take the next color and pull through. You can pull this red color to tighten them. Do chain 1. Next, you can snip off this yarn. Turn your work. You can carry this yarn for doing the next row. So next, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 more rows using this green color. After doing them, the coaster looks like this. So next, we are going to do the border for this coaster. Do chain 1. The corner stitch, you are going to do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. So likewise, we'll be doing 1 single crochet in each stitch till you reach this corner stitch, and in the corner we'll be doing 2 single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this corner. At the corner we'll be doing 2 single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch, and in this corner we'll be doing 2 single crochet. After doing single crochet in all the 3 sides, it looks like this. Next, you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Coaster using single crochet looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.